Scaphognathus, meaning tub jaw, was a genus of pterosaurs that lived in Europe during the Jurassic period 155 million years ago. It was a medium-sized pterosaur that had a wingspan of 90 centimeters. Scaphognathus had a shorter and more compact skull compared to Rhamphorhynchus. Its teeth did not point forward, but were set upright in the jaw. The ends of the jaw were also more blunt, like the bow of a boat. Scaphognathus also had larger holes in front of its orbits than Rhamphorhynchus. It was similar in its general body proportions, but it had a shorter head and less pointed jaw tips. Scaphognathus is known from two specimens which were discovered in the Solnhofen limestone in southern Germany. The first remains were discovered in the early 19th century and were described in 1831 by Professor August Goldfuss. The remains were originally thought to belong to another pterosaur called Pterodactylus, as the tail region was missing from the original fossil specimen. A second specimen was discovered with the remains of a long tail, which revealed it was a member of the Rhamphorhynchid group of pterosaurs. The skull of Scaphognathus was well preserved enough to enable scientists to study its brain. It has a much larger brain compared to other similar-sized reptiles, being almost as large as those of a modern bird. Studies of the relative sizes of the brain regions that are connected to senses indicate that Scaphognathus would have had excellent eyesight but a rather poor sense of smell. The cerebellum region and associated brain lobes were well developed, which indicates high agility. This suggests that smaller pterosaurs would have made active flapping movements like small birds.